So this is my Porsche Cayenne 2014. Uh, this is the Porsche Cayenne 958 Cayenne S. Let me give you a very quick walk around of the car. Um, this is a 4.8 liter V8, naturally aspirated V8 because it's a Cayenne S and not. So yeah, this is the car. Fairly old. This is more than a decade old car now, but it still looks fresh. Let me give you a very quick walk around of the inside as well. Let me give you a quick show of the back seat first. So this is the back seat. I love this space. First of all, if you have family or friends who are gonna sit with you, this is a really comfortable space. 3 seats at the back. They recline as well. Where is the recline? Yeah, they recline. And yeah, the panoramic sunroof. This is amazing. Dual ventilation. The vents at the back, and you can control each of them separately. This is more of a review video of the 2014 Cayenne as well, just to give you a showcase of what all it has to offer. There are the dimmable light control switches, so you can keep pressing, and these are the dimmable reading lights. Yeah, and overall this is a very comfortable space, to be very honest with you. So sorry about the lunch, but yeah, this is the it has the Bose audio system. Yeah, panoramic sunroof as we have discussed. Let's go in the front, and let's now get inside and take a look at the front, the driver's seat, the main place where the action happens. So this is the cabin of the Porsche Cayenne 2014 that I'm selling over here. Panoramic sunroof, one of my favorite features of the car. It's a more than a decade old car, but it's still everything looks so modern and fresh. It's got dual climate control systems, a lot of buttons, which I love because you don't need to take your eyes off the car, off the road while you're driving. So you've got all the controls here, temperature controls temperature controls for both the side. Apple CarPlay, interestingly, wasn't a feature in the 2014 Porsche Cayenne, but I have installed a chip on the original head unit. So this is still the original head unit, but when you install that chip on the head unit, you can get so all of the original features still work from the original head unit. You can go to the maps, you can still use the original map that come with it. You can use the XM radio, I think that's the name, but I don't know what that does. But yeah, you still have a lot of you still have all the original features of the car, but you also have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto if you need that. So this is a wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto system, so you don't even need to plug into any wires. The wires not connected over here, but like I just keep that for charging. Then we have a lot of space, practical. This car is hella practical. 2 cup holders here, then you've got cup holders in the cup holders or bottle holders in your door bins. Bose audio system. Then you have 3 memory seats, electronic parking brake. We'll come to the drivetrain later, but just giving you an overall overview. But yeah, so I've installed this is another thing that I've installed, the dash camera, and with the rear camera installed as well at the back, so I use it as my main mirror. This gives me a really good view of the road at the back and in the front. Then what else do I have over here in the car? Yeah, apart from that, this is a great car. Let me close the sunroof because the sun has come out. So yeah, it's a two-way adjustable steering column. I love the ergonomics of this car specifically. The steering feel is really good. This has also got heated steering wheel on it. You can control it from a button that is underneath over here. Yeah, apart from that, this is the entire car. These are my Deadpools that are lying around. I also have one at the back. But yeah, let's start the car and let me show you what it sounds like. So let me give you a very quick showcase of the engine bay as well. So this is the 4.8 liter naturally aspirated V8. Still looks fresh, still sounds fresh. So I love this car. I've given most of the review or overview of the car for you to understand what the car is like before you come in. If you still have any questions, you can reach out to me. Yeah, and let me give you a very quick drive review as well. All right, so let's go for a very quick drive. And let me pull out of the driveway. The suspension of the car is amazing. I love the comfort in this car. Let's take a right. Alright. The view is amazing. There are barely any blind spots. There is one blind spot at the back, but like I've got blind spot mirror installed, so that helps a lot. You can see the mirror actually is a great help while driving. Let me show you the pull of this car. Do you hear that? I love this car. This is the 4.8 liter naturally aspirated V8. It just sounds amazing. It pulls like a beast. It is a beast. It's a 3-ton car. And being that 3-ton car, it doesn't give me actually that bad of a fuel economy. Right now, even after that pull, I'm getting 13.8 liters per 100 kilometers, which is not bad for a Porsche, to be very, very frank and honest with you. But I've also got like God boosts installed on it, so that actually helps me. UV from here. Let me play some music for you guys. Let me show you the Bose audio system. Alright, let's pull this car. The cornering is amazing. The handling is amazing of this car. The CarPlay actually comes in quite handy if you wish to use that. So yeah, that was the walk around and a review video of my Porsche Cayenne 2014 Porsche Cayennes that I'm selling. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything you would like to discuss about the car. I'm more than happy to have a conversation with you guys. So yeah, this is the Porsche Cayenne, everybody.